Welcome back to the Crown Lounge. What we're going to do to add to our fair or carnival series is a caramel apple martini, right? You remember the candy apples, the caramel apples, right? You get at the fair, you get them everywhere else now, but still, it is a fair thing, right? So, first we had a glass chill and I did a caramel drizzle inside, right? Put in the freezer for a while so it'd stay. And it just went to the bottom. But anyway, there is caramel in this glass. All right, first we're going to go with 1 ounce of a sour apple pucker. Into a shaker. Next, we're going to go with 1 ounce of Butterscotch Schnapps. Lastly, we're going to add 2 ounces of vodka of your choice. Lastly, we're going to shake. Get that a good twist on there. Now, pour it in our glass. Still some coming out. There you have it. A caramel apple martini. Cheers. You get all the elements of a caramel apple in here. The butterscotch helps, get that caramel a little more in there. You taste the apple. Wow. It's a good drink. Cheers, guys.